Hi everyone, welcome to Excel with Beauty. So in today's call, we are going to discuss about the various comparative operators that we have in Excel, and we are also going to see what does each of them mean, what is the meaning of that particular comparative operator, and we are going to test the comparative operators using a logical formula. So these comparative operators, it's important to understand them because they become the basis of any logical functions or formulas that is there in the Excel, which we are going to see in the following videos. So let's start and jump on to the data. I've created a small data set here and we have listed out all the possible comparative operators here. Let's start one by one. So first of all, I'm trying to test. I've taken two figures here and I'm trying to test the equal comparative operator. So as the name suggests, it compares the two figures and if both of them are equal or not. So we are going to test the logical formula for these two numbers here. So we'll say 23 equal to 13, and you see the logical formula gives you the result as false. So that means it is not true, and the Boolean expression here gives you the result as false. So next we have the not equal to. The not equal to operator, you can use it by using less than or equal to signed together. So let's test that. So we are trying to say 43 not equal to 3, and the result is true, and which makes sense. Next one is greater than. So greater than, let's test that. 21 greater than 13, and the result is true. So it is the greater than operator, which means one number when it compares to the other, the first one needs to be greater than. A further extension to that is greater than and equal to. So this operator compares the two numbers and it says the first number can be greater than the second number or it can be unequal to. So let's try to test that. So whenever we use a logical function, we'll start with equal to. We'll take the first number, we'll say greater than, and we'll say equal to, and the second number. The result shows as true because 44 is obviously greater than 33. The next operator is less than, which basically means the first number is less than the second number. Let's test this comparative operator using the formula. So we'll say the first number is less than the second number, and it's giving the false because in this case 66 is greater than 13, so it's a false result here. And the last one is an extension of this less than operator here. So it says less than or equal to. So basically the first digit it compares with the second number, and it says the first number can be less than or it can be same as the first number. So let's test this particular condition here. We say the first number is less than or equal to the second number, and it is given true because here the number is not less but it is equal to. So in these two conditions, you can see we are comparing two operators together. We are making a combination of greater than, less than, along with equal to. So it looks both the conditions together. It compares in both the ways. So either it can be less than or equal to, It can be less than or greater than, or it can be equal to. The second operator is simply says it's not equal to, and the first one, as the name suggests, is equal to. So these are the basic operators that we have in the Excels, and this becomes the basis of using all the logical functions that are going to come in the next videos. And we are going to use these logical comparative operators in all the logical functions and formulas that we have. So thanks for watching the video. We'll connect in the next video.